Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will cover HTML heading, paragraph and few other tags. We use HTML heading tag for title and subtitle of a HTML page. For development, we will be using Sublime Text Editor. If we search in YouTube how to install Sublime Text, we will find many tutorial videos. After installation, we will open Sublime Text Editor. First, we will create a new HTML file. We will click on File, then New File. To save the file, we will click on File, then Save. File name my first HTML.html. In the HTML file, we will type less than symbol then HTML, and on suggestion display, we will press Enter key in the keyboard. This will generate the boilerplate code of an HTML file. Now to open the file in the browser, we will go to the location where we have saved the HTML file. We will right click in the HTML file, then open with Google Chrome. You could select any other browser also. Title my first HTML file. On refreshing the page, we could see the title. There are 6 types of heading from H1 till H6. H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. On refreshing the page, we could see the heading tags from H1 till H6. For paragraph, we use the P tag. Inside opening and closing tag of paragraph, I have copy pasted few lines of text. Paragraph start on a new line. On refreshing the page, we could see the paragraph. We are giving some white space in between the text, but on refreshing the page, we could not see the white space because HTML ignore white spaces. For line break in HTML, we use the BR tag. BR tag do not have closing tag. Here we are using 4 BR tags for 4 line breaks. On refreshing the page, we could see 4 line breaks. The text that we keep inside strong opening and closing tag will appear bold in HTML, and the text that we keep inside EM opening and closing tag will appear italic. Thank you for watching this video. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.